Muthia kiuria gia kana arutwo grade ya gatandatu ni marikaga kigeranio gia gibururi ta KCPE rungu rwa mutaratara mweru wa githomo mbere maingirite secondary ni kionete anja thutha wa mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta gutheria ndeto eno hindi ya kigomano kigie CBC guku county ya Nairobi.
We have also insisted and has also been contained in the task force report that there will be no examinations in standard 6, which shall ensure that we have now 100% transition from primary through to secondary school.
Giki ni kiuria gikoretwo gikirigithia ataramu aingi thiini wa ruhonge rwa githomo na muno makiria aria mahetwo wigiririki wa gutigira mutaratara uyu ni wakinyanira. President akiuga muoroto wa thirikari ni gutigira gicunje kigana kwa igana kia Arutwo ni megira na mweke wa kuingira secondary na ugo gutire kigeranio gia gibururi kirikagwo ni Arutwo makiingira secondary.
Tumepatia vizazi vya kesho the necessary tools to be conquerors.
Idenere Arutwo marithomaga grade ya 7, 8 na 9 rungu rwa githomo gia secondary mugarano ria kurakoretwo gukiendekithio irathi cicigwo rungu rwa githomo kia muthingi.
That the lower secondary, which is grades 7, 8 and 9, should now be domiciled in our secondary schools.
Mutaratara-ini uyu wa 26333 Arutwo marithomaga miaka 2 nathari, miaka 6 thiini wa thukuru ya muthingi na thutha ucio kuingira secondary kwa ihinda ria miaka 3 ya mbere thiini wa grade ya 7 nginyagia 9, miaka 3 secondary kuma grade ya 10 nginyagia 12 na thutha ucio miaka 3 university.
Inputs were taken, Your Excellency, and nobody should say that he or she has been gathered. Under your watch, we shall deliver the CBC.
Girifotera Kameme TV retoreko ni Nogari wa Kamau.